Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to access hidden apps on a Realme phone. When hiding apps, you set a dial code to access the hidden apps list. Dial the saved code in the phone app, for example do234, and the list will open. You can also go to Settings, then Privacy, and select Hide Apps. Enter your privacy password to see the list of hidden apps. If you forgot the dial code but remember the privacy password, you can still access the hidden apps menu. To change the dial code, tap the gear icon in the top right corner and select Change Access Code. Enter a new access code and save it. Now you can easily access the hidden apps with the new code. That would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.